Have you ever gotten a brilliant, detailed answer from ChatGPT and wished you could save it as a clean, professional document? Simply copying and pasting can be messy, and screenshots just don't look good.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any ChatGPT conversation into a perfectly formatted professional PDF in just a few clicks for free. First, let's get our content. I've asked ChatGPT for an overview of the special theory of relativity. Once you have your text, simply click the copy icon. Now here's the magic. We're going to use a free tool from InnateBlogger.com called the Markdown to PDF Converter. The link is in the description below. There's no sign-up needed. The first thing we'll do is clear the default text to start fresh.
Next, just right-click and paste your copied text into the editor on the left. Instantly, you'll see a live preview on the right. Notice how it automatically understands all the Markdown formatting from ChatGPT. The headings, the bold text, and even the complex mathematical equations are rendered perfectly. But what if you want to customize it? That's easy too. The editor is fully interactive. Let's say I want to add a main title to my notes. I'll just type Notes at the top, highlight it, and use the toolbar to change it to an H1 heading. The preview updates instantly. You can see how the live preview on the right mirrors every change you make on the left. This side-by-side view is incredibly helpful for getting your document to look exactly how you want it before you save. You can scroll through both panes to check the entire document. Once you're happy with the formatting, it's time to create the PDF. Just click the Print button. This will open your browser's print dialog. Make sure your destination is set to Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Now, here's a pro tip for a cleaner look. Go to More Settings and uncheck the Headers and Footers option. This removes the default page URL and date, giving you a much more professional and tidy document. You can see the preview update to reflect this change. Let's take it one step further. What if you want a specific section to start on a new page? For example, I want the Velocity Addition section to begin on its own page. I'll simply place my cursor before the heading and click the Page Break icon in the toolbar. This inserts a page break. Now, when we go back to the print preview, you'll see that the document now has a clean break, and the Velocity Addition section starts fresh on a new page. This is a powerful feature for organizing longer reports or notes. Okay, everything looks perfect. Let's click Print to save the file. I'll name it Notes and save it to my desktop. The process is incredibly fast. And here is the final result. Let's open the PDF we just created. As you can see, it's a beautifully formatted multi-page document. All the headings, lists, bold text, and mathematical formulas are perfectly preserved. It looks like a professional report, not a simple copy-paste job. And there you have it, a fast, free, and powerful way to save your ChatGPT conversations as high-quality, professional PDFs. Check the description for the link to the tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.